Hi guys, it's me, I'm the Frugal Chef. Hey, why don't we make these scrumptious, finger-licking good, oh, fantastic garlic Parmesan wings in the air fryer. Oh, I think you're gonna like this recipe. If you haven't subbed, if you would please, I'd really appreciate it. Turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos. If you like this, please give me a like and please comment at the bottom. Tell me, do you like it, you don't like it? How you make your chicken Parmesan garlic wings. Thank you guys, let's make. I have 2.5 pounds of chicken wings in here. I do not have any of the flat ends. This is only the drumettes and the other piece that is pretty meaty. The tips will be used for soup. I have started preheating the air fryer. I'm gonna spray some oil on this. If you don't have spray, just pour a little oil in it. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of garlic powder and about a half tablespoon of paprika, pepper, generous with the pepper for me. I'm not gonna put salt on this because I'm gonna use Parmesan cheese. So I'm gonna do about a cup of cheese. Now we're gonna mix this so it all gets coated. If you want, you can add parsley to this, chopped parsley. So we just want to make sure that everything gets cheese and spices on it. Just kind of press it in there. We're gonna put this in the air fryer. Temperature 380, 24 minutes. We're gonna flip these at 12 minutes. We are gonna flip these. Holy moly, look at that. So I'm gonna flip them and finish cooking them and then I'll see you, okay? Let's taste this. Oh. These are very good. Next time I make them though, I will add more salt. The cheese is not salty enough. But other than that, they're perfect. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to see you soon.